Hello everyone. Are you confused by crypto terms like price impact and blockchain fees? You're not alone, let's simplify it together. First up, root. The path your money will follow to transform into the necessary token is called the root. There is no cryptocurrency on its own. Instead, tokens are kept in liquidity pools, which are balanced pairs like ton, stone. Your interaction with this pair is adding ton there and taking stone away when you sell ton and acquire stone for it. Next, blockchain fee, the amount each transaction on the blockchain is charged. This is the amount required to keep the blockchain running. Now, minimum received, transaction history records instances in which the token price fluctuated significantly. A user would typically lose money, which is obviously quite unpleasant, in exchange for tokens, although they were expecting to receive a different amount. This issue is resolved with stoned FI DEX. Every asset's value is fixed by the smart contract at the moment of the transaction. You will receive the amount indicated here even if the token price drastically changes at the moment you press swap. Next, exchange rate. The current difference between the amount received and the amount sold. Lastly, price impact. Exchanging a large number of tokens that make up a sizable amount of the liquidity pool that is accessible for exchanging tokens, you will alter the value ratio of one token to another, which will alter the token's price. For instance, you run the risk of purchasing tokens at a premium because of your own activities if you wish to purchase a large number, but there aren't enough in the pool. You won't notice a price impact in large popular pools, but always remember this indicator. We consider transactions with a price impact above 5% disadvantageous in the vast majority of cases and warn about this in the DEX interface. And there you have it. Crypto transactions decoded and simplified. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto tips, or visit www.ston.fi for more info. Thank you.